Bago lang na man church, so Easter Sunday, start the day with Mass. So simba una, no?
Then mag-eat.
No? Mga activities na dayon sa mga gusto bata. So nindot yun i-start ng Easter Sunday with the Mass.
Sige, bye.
And bye, nag-picture pa daw siya na rin na po. Okay, so balik kami nag-buy na may litson dari sa Dados Litson over there. Dados Litson. Pakita ito litson dali.
Oh, dada litson mo.
Litson.
Utos na.
Utos na litson. So sa sunod na po na ito palitan.
Buy na po ng ice cream.
Ice cream na po. Buy na tayo ice cream.
Buy na ng ice cream.
Ice cream. Sunod na po.
Ano, kabalo.
Sigan. Sa mga may sigan. Siguro ito may sakbang. Tira. Ano may? Imunay ka sa amin. Check us out later. Bye.
Bye.
So nilanggam diri sa taas ako. Sa punuan. Ba't lang kung makita ninyo. Hindi lang mga langgam sa kaumayan. Pero nanadari karon sa mga dapit. Okay, good afternoon guys. We are here right now. There is a Paseo de Santiago. Here sa Iligan City. One of the tourist spots here. Kita ninyo dito sa layo, that one, that is the Philippines nga word, and over there pag yun sa pinakalayo, that is a beacon, another beacon na Iligan City. It is siguro mga 3 PM, almost 4, so that is why medyo hayat pa kayo, and obviously gamay po ang mga tao karon diri. Siguro later at night, no? During the night or this evening, mas madagan ang mga tao dito. Okay? So let's take a tour. Diri sa Paseo de Santiago, here in Iligan City. So there is sa left side, there are cottages and mga benches. And over here, we have a sleeper. So pwede mo magpa-picture diri. And dito po is ang Philippines nga dito.
Dito ka sa right, baby. Sige pa.
Okay guys, so muna siya ang beacon sa Philippines. Wala namin diri sa top. Actually, tapad na siya tong sa horse, no? So muna siya Philippines and also the Philippine flag. Again, that is the Philippines nga beacon. Proud to be a Filipino. I am here right now. There is isa sa mga bench. Relax lang sa ginagmay. Front ani is ang sun. Indot yung background. So medyo ngit-ngit tanawon ako na okay na may shade. May flag dari. As you can see here. Then ang sun na sila yun. Like that. And over there na dito ang I don't know, bangka na siya. Later on I'll be taking a time lapse here. Kinindot kita na. Okay? Okay guys, we're here right now. There is a Iligan City nga beacon. So they're having fun here. A while ago na picture taking me here. So it's very nice here. And apo another put nga wall diri. I don't know what this is. Hindi ko na ako maklaro. It's very nice here. Very windy. Indagan po tao. Actually, dagan-dagan na po ang tao ng hani diri karon. Tanawon ninyo. So dira sa mga tables dagan na po. So later on siguro managan na po diri no. Later this evening. Okay, as requested by BB, the movie. Ready, go!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Baba Wilsa, Wilsa, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay! Okay, the movie again by Kuya Landel. Ready, go!
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. And oink, oink, here, and oink, oink, here, and oink, here, and oink, oink. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Yay! Finish! Okay, bye-bye. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! I have something to say.
Oh, yeah, something to say. Oh, say, what do you want?
Bye-bye! So subscribe and share and like and comment if you like this video of our singing.
Oh, you look at the camera.
And we will see you next time. Bye! Bye! And happy Easter!
Na Jollibee, baby? Ha? Na, Kuya, Jollibee?
Yeah!
Ha?